My name's Lucy Douglas. I'm 32 years old. I had my baby 6 weeks ago and throughout pregnancy struggled with various ailments. I initially came to see Adam at 20 weeks with really bad headaches, which was turning into neck pain. I've been to the doctors numerous times over the previous 4 weeks and been prescribed antibiotics a number of times for sinusitis. I didn't feel it was sinusitis, but they insisted that it was. But after a couple of sessions with Adam, the headaches went away, which was a relief after having them for 4 weeks, and no more antibiotics and painkillers. It then developed at 26 weeks. I had early contractions and was admitted to hospital, and then developed SPD on the back of that. I don't think it was related, but ended up with really bad pelvic pain. The hospital said there was nothing they could really do. They said just deal with the pain and it will go once you've had the baby. But trying to live with pain in your pelvis that means you can't walk for 5 months is not something you really want to hear or deal with. But going to see Adam again, the pain was relieved while the session was happening. So when the needles were actually in, the pain went away. And it made the baby move, which I always found slightly strange, that you can stick a needle in your leg and the baby starts to move. So it was definitely energy going to that area of your body. So this helped throughout the whole of pregnancy. The pelvic pain continued pretty much up until the baby's head was engaged. But every week when I was having the acupuncture, it would relieve and then kind of build back up again until I went again. So if we didn't have a session for 2 weeks, it was definitely a lot worse than if we didn't have a session for a week. Towards the end of pregnancy, the baby was overdue, so we had a number of sessions for inductions as well. And again, you could feel the contractions during those sessions happening, which was nice to have them starting, even though the baby ended up being a few days late. But it was very quick labour in their end, and hopefully the acupuncture helped with having a very quick labour towards the end, which was a very nice relief after such a pain-filled pregnancy.